How to add Gravity Forms Pulse add-on. Adding a poll to your WordPress site using Gravity Forms is very easy. First, check that the Pulse add-on is installed and activated on your site. Go to Forms, then Add-ons in the WordPress dashboard. Find the Pulse add-on. Click the Install button. Click Activate once the add-on has been installed. So let's start to create our poll right away. You can either create a new form or use an existing form. All you have to do is name your form whatever you want. So I'm going to use an existing form. Select the advanced field and then drag the pulse fields onto the page. Click General under Poll Field Settings to provide guidance or explain how to answer the question to your visitors. Enter your question in the poll question field. Choose the type of poll, adding choices, randomized order of choices, and required are some other options of poll fields. Also, you can use conditional logic with your poll. So before you can activate conditional logic on your poll, you must have at least 2 questions. All you have to do is to add more poll questions to drag another poll field onto your page. So after completing your poll, click Save Form. And then preview to see it in action and check that it is properly working. That's all. Thank you for watching.